Mr. Spagno, this was a settlement
That's correct.
for $30,000.
Yes.
And your lawyer receives
A third.
So are you saying that you don't feel that you are liable for the value of the truck that was destroyed in your possession?
I just feel like she's suing the wrong party. She should be suing the third party and not me.
Did his lawyer ever contact you?
No,
Why did you seek a lawyer to sue for the
because
value of your car?
we had a conference call with his lawyer, and he said for me to file a claim in small claims, but this was in August, and the year was up by the time that he had told me that.
You mean the statute of
Yeah.
limitations?
Yeah, I was under the impression that I only had a year to file, and when I tried, they could not serve that person.
You tried to serve it.
Yes, I tried. I filed, and I sent for...
Why did you wait then a year?
Because I didn't know that he wasn't going to cover it until it was nearly
Did
a
he
year.
represent to you that he was going to take care of the cost of the truck?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes, and I asked my attorney, but he said he wouldn't cover it because it wasn't my property.
So then you don't deny that you had a responsibility to protect the plaintiff as to her truck, am I right?
You're right.
I have nothing further.
All right, then. We're going to excuse you both while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you.
I think from a purely procedural standpoint, it's kind of an interesting case because if you think about it, his lawyer probably wasn't wrong. He doesn't have standing to sue because it's not his car. She has to sue him or the other party. And frankly, it's the defendant who should be impleading the third party. But some of that is really immaterial because I can base a ruling for my part in her favor because I believe that he made a representation that he was going to pay for it. He even said so. So I would hold him to that alone and rule in her favor for the full $5,000.
So basically, you're finding a separate breach of contract action by him to her, promising her that he would pay.
Correct.
He did not implead the third party, and I asked him why he didn't do that. He said his attorney basically told him that the $30,000 settlement would basically have precluded that remedy.
Correct.
I don't have a problem giving her the money for the car.
She relied on his representation to her detriment, apparently.
But I think the two of them really, she doesn't have insurance, he doesn't have a license. They both want to point the finger, when meanwhile, if they had been doing the right things, they wouldn't be in this mess. So I like the way of getting to the other contract and giving her the money.
Very good. Are we unanimous?
Have a verdict.
Great.
This courtroom is again in session.
We've deliberated and reached a unanimous verdict. Point one, you both have what is known in the law as unclean hands. You're not supposed to be driving a car without insurance. You're not supposed to be driving without a license. So there is one theory of resolution where, ma'am, you wouldn't get anything because you entrusted your car to an unlicensed driver. However, you, sir, made a commitment that you were going to compensate her for these damages. We have construed that as a binding agreement, and we're going to hold you to that agreement. So irrespective of the bad decision-making that resulted in everybody being in this situation, you are going to recover because the defendant made a commitment, and we're going to hold him to that. The judgment of the court is for $5,000 in favor of the plaintiff. Good luck to you both.
Thank you.
This court is adjourned.
I've been arguing for him to do the right thing for a really long time, and he wasn't going to do it unless someone made him.
Babe, I'm sorry I wrecked the truck.
He doesn't care.
I still think that she sued the wrong party.
I hope he learns how to do unto others as he would do unto them.